Okay, so we got a 13 wk2, which is a Grand Cherokee. This one's a Hemi. It's got the old Hemis in it. And what we're doing here is motor mounts. And so in the procedure it tells you that you need to pull the intake and do steps and stuff and extra and this and that. So here we go. These are the new ones in there. Now all I did here was remove the ground cable on this side to give me more room to the heat shield. So there's two 10mm bolts on each heat shield. These ones are up in here. These two on this side are right there on that face. And so all you gotta do is just be very careful and jack it up by the crank. Now this is definitely not ideal. Obviously, I don't want to hear anybody saying, "You're gonna fucking hurt it." This is how we do it at the dealership. So if you don't like it, take it somewhere else, because flat rate guys are getting fucked on warranty all the time. Got to make up time somewhere. So this is how it's done. All those bearings in there are going to be fine. It's a half moon. That crank is made out of cast steel. It's not going to hurt it. It's just lift it up a little bit. So you got two 15s, one in the front, one in the back, and then there's one on the very top that goes through. And then all I got to do is just slowly set it back down. Now this would be a lot easier if I had more than one ball bearing in my pull jack. This is definitely not ideal. But yeah, just set her down. Make sure that the mount, the little feet go in their receiver hole. That's it. Once you get it all set down, you put the bolts in. You're done.